Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby, and today what I'm going to speak about is that I literally just got a deal with 2 months void, no need to pay for nothing for the 2 months, no deposit up front from a landlord. But before I get started, I want you to subscribe to my channel, turn that bell notification on so you get alerted every Wednesday at 7 p.m. when I post. So let's go. Hi guys, so today this video is going to be totally different. What I'm going to do is I'm going to document everything, and I'm going to try fit everything here in this piece of video so you can see the journey through everything, how I got the deal, me showing you the recordings of the whole property as well, so then you can physically see everything and physically know that this is real. Also, what I want to say is I realized on social media, I really need to talk upon this because this is really important. On social media, there is so much of small-minded people where, I'm in London, so people will be like, oh, she can't do it, she's in London, or oh, here's another Londoner lying, and all of this nonsense. And it's crazy because it's like, I've got my 2 properties that is mine, and I'm managing more properties up in Liverpool. I'm in London, here is Liverpool, and I am doing it remotely. And so I just want to say that, guys, stop listening to people on social media. It's a thing where people do a thing where they follow the crowd, which is quite scary because you really need to know your stuff. And if you don't believe it, then do due diligence or join a course that will show you exactly what to do. For example, my mastermind course, I show you every single thing you need to do in order to even get into this game, in order to be confident where to find these landlords. So in saying that, guys, if you're one of them people that you don't believe it, or you feel like it can't be achieved, darling, do your research. It can be achieved. You can get a property under 75k of a 4-bed in the Midlands. Yes, you can. Once again, do your research, and honestly, knowledge is power. That's all I have to say. But apart from that, guys, so yeah, my recent deal that I got, so literally what I did was I literally messaged this person, and I messaged the person because I saw the listing online, and then from there they gave me their number. I called them, told them what I do, and then they were happy to proceed with the next steps. And the thing is, how the conversation even went, it was all genuine. It wasn't a thing where I'm reading a script. Obviously, because I've been doing it, I give my students scripts, of course, because you need to know what to say. But when you get used to it, you're going to realize you don't actually need a script. And so this person, they were actually letting the whole property. So I thought, okay, let me see if they'll be interested in something like this then. So they were happy with it. Literally within 1 day of listing the property, I've already got a paying tenant who's starting literally next week. And what I'm just trying to say is, guys, it is doable. It will be done. It can be done. People honestly believe that you cannot get a landlord where they're happy to have 2 months free. And with this specific property, the landlord, he's had this property empty for a whole year. So he thought to himself, what would 2 months be like? It's not a harm, just because he actually wants specifically students. And because we're in May, coming into June, there could be a void of a month just due to them starting their academic year in July. And a tip that I'm going to tell you, when you get students, university students, you don't actually need to pay council tax. And that is why he wanted this, which I'm happy to go for. That's a win-win for the both of us. So yeah, so what I want to say is, guys, it's doable. You can do it, and don't let no one tell you that you can't, because you can. And yeah, so literally, guys, no word of a lie, literally, it took me 5 minutes to find this landlord, and then it took me 10 minutes to get a response from Messenger, or even less than that, and then 2 minutes to negotiate on the phone, and then done. Because understand that the landlord, they resonate with you as a person. You need to make sure you're genuine when you come towards them. You can't, you know, be something that you're not, if you know what I mean. Because some people, you can read through them when, you know, they're a bit, there's something different, you know. And so be genuine, be confident. You know your stuff. You know your stuff. Understand you know your stuff, and be confident in yourself and say, I know my stuff. I know what I'm going to do, and I know how to do it. And so that's what I always tell my students: be confident in everything you do. And later on in this segment, I'm going to show you a recording of the whole property, because I'm going up there literally at the end of the week, so we can see the whole property. Lovely, nice and clean, furbished property. So yeah, guys, so what I want to say is, listen, if you want to get into this rent-to-rent game, come on, you can do it. Don't let no one tell you that you can't do it. And I always make sure my students get at least £400 minimum in profit, because let's say just 2 houses, let's say minimum 2 houses you're getting £400 in profit, you're making out £800. And now let's do the 3rd house, and then the 4th house, and then the 5th house. It all adds up. And this is why you need to know your figures, you need to know your numbers, so you know exactly what you want to achieve when you're actually going to manage the property in itself. All right, so now I'm going to show you this segment of the property itself and how it is, and then we're going to come back here. All right, check it out. Okay guys, welcome back. I hope you loved to see that property. Property is beautiful, right? Beautiful property, lovely, nice and spacious. The rooms are lovely, and the profit in this property is awesome as well. So yeah guys, so once again, I'm telling you, don't be afraid to get into this rent-to-rent game. Just start. Don't let no one tell you that it's not doable, because it is doable. And this is why I've built this mastermind, because I want everybody to know this is how to do it, and this is what you can do in order to achieve your steps and goals. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. In the next segment, what we're going to be speaking about is what should you be looking for in your first rent-to-rent deal. What is it that you should be looking for, so you know this is the one? All right, awesome. So guys, once again, thank you so much for watching. Make sure before we end today, you add me on Instagram. It's Oniru. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn that bell notification on, so you get alerted every Wednesday at 7 p.m. when I post. And finally guys, make sure you comment down below, did you enjoy this footage of today? And guys, thank you so much for watching, and make sure you click up here. Bye.